And we are back for one more video. Last time we completed episode number 114 and 115 of Dragon Ball. And in those episodes, I mean till then, so till now we saw that King Piccolo called the Shenron, collected all the Dragon Balls, he killed. Krillin is dead now, Master Roshi is dead. Also Chaozu is also dead. So now, and after calling Shenron, he asked for his wish to be youthful, and now he is young again. He has more power now. And after seeing King Piccolo's power, Goku and Tien felt the need that they need to get more powerful. That's why Goku started his training arc again. He went to Karin Tower, and Karin told him that there is some place where you can get the divine, very divine, ultra divine water. Then you can drink and become more powerful. So Goku is now searching for that divine water, and he is with Yajirobe. Yajirobe is helping him to search for that water. And Tien, on the other hand, he went somewhere and he is focusing on his body and meditating and all that. And he wants to be perfect in that technique, the devil catching technique that Master Roshi did right in front of him. And the first time when King Piccolo was captured in that tin box, the rice cooker, by Master Roshi's master. So now Tien wants to perfect that technique. Tien is practicing on that, and Goku is practicing on his strength. So now everybody has training arc going on, and King Piccolo has started taking over different villages or countries, we can say. So that is where we ended the last episode number 115. So now we need to see what happens next, if Goku can complete his training in this episode or the next, or even after that, and what happens to Tien, what happens to others like Yamcha, Balma, what are they doing, and what else does King Piccolo do. So we need to see that, or we might get to see a time jump, because Tien and Goku, both of them need to focus, practice on their techniques to get expert. And King Piccolo also needs some time to capture the most of the world, because if he captures only one city, and that won't be feel as powerful as his character is shown powerful. So that's why we might have some time jump. That's just what I think. So yeah, let's get into the episode number 116, and let's see what happens. तुले काय डान्सर्स पाहिजे होत्या काय मस्त. काय माणूस आहे राजा. बोरिंग नाही राहील. टेस्टसाठी आला आहे तर बोरिंग तर राहणार आहे ना. अबे पोट्टे, त्यानं ऐकलं नव्हतं ना पहिले कधी त्याच्याबद्दल. त्यासारखं थोडी आहे त्याचं. पहिलेच तर तो कोणत्या गोष्टी ऐकत नाही. हे काय रे बा. अबे ते आहे काय ते तर सांग पहिले. काहीतरी हे करून राहिलं. गोकुले दिसलं, याले नाही दिसलं काय. काहीतरी होतं ना ते, असे गोडे गोडे येऊ राहिले होते. अरे अबे अबे ओय. अरे कौन. अरे सोबत जा ना. काही अरे पण काही प्रॉब्लेम झाला तर काय झालं. अच्छा, कोणतरी येऊ राहिलं. कोण आहे रे बा. हुजीट. ओ हो 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 हो. अबे बूढ़े, तू तो मेला ना. हाँ?
Yes, in the flesh, Goku.
अबे illusion है. Me.
So, what brings you here?
Oh, I forgot.
वाह बे तेल खाया. Oh, I forgot.
I'm looking for
अबे
the ultra divine water so I can defeat Piccolo.
मग I forgot काय
Master
म्हटलं.
Roshi?
I have seen something.
Really? Ha! I can
मास्टर
always
रोशी तर नाही, डार्कनेस आहे ते.
Follow me.
अरे 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 बिचारा गेला कामातून.
Stupid Goku leaves me in the middle of nowhere with no food or anything.
भावले किती चढाचं काम पडून राहिलं. अरे 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 अबे भेटलं याले फूड भेटलं, खाऊन गे लवकर त्याले. म्हटलं ना.
Come on, I want to dip you in some gravy.
इथं कुठं तुला ग्रेव्ही भेटू राहिली, आणि बुडा एवढ्या फटाफट म्हणजे बुडा तर नाही आहे म्हणा,
You're moving so fast.
तेच तर तो ट्रेनिंग आहे.
Uh-oh.
एवढे 3 वर्ष तुले पायावर तुले पाय ट्रेन करायला लावले, हे तर नॉर्मल असायला पाहिजे. तुला याच्यापेक्षा फास्ट जात ना तू. काय झालं
How did
अरे
I don't. What in the?
Come inside. Since you insist on seeking the water,
हां काय
then I will have to kill you.
कामे आम्ही आता नाही करणार आहे, कारण तो डार्कनेस वेगळा हे आहे का करू शकते. बेकार झालं, गेला बाबू गोकू तू. वा 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 वा.
Goku, you don't stand a chance.
Never.
It is not meant for humans.
तो ह्युमन आहे नाही, इन ह्युमन आहे तो.
This holy place or die.
None of this is real. Not Roshi.
बरोबर, आता बरोबर ओळखलं बा त्यांना.
I'll show you real.
वा
Real enough for you.
Real or not, I've had enough.
मग काय करणार आहे. झाला बाबू, गेला गेला तो कामावर. अरे बा हा, म्हणजे एवढं सगळं केलं त्यानं तर चांगला तर असं नसतो.
Gotcha. You're coming with me, Tasty.
आणि तो इथं आता आबे वाबे पोंगाड्या कम म्हणाव. ठीक, आता काय यायच्या अंगावर येऊन पडते का वा. मी म्हटलं याच्या अंगावर अबे ओय झिंगाटल्या काय करू राहिला.
Drop him and you stand a chance. Keep holding him and you both die.
Hey, Goku, who's your friend?
I will not let go.
Happy landing.
That's it.
झालं. अरे बापरे बेकार.
Come on, stop wiggling around up there.
अबे तेल खाया तुले तर पहिले भोकण्या डोळ्याच्या.
Just let go.
त्यामुळंच तर आहे या सिच्युएशन मध्ये.
Let go.
चालला मोठा स्टॉप विगलिंग म्हणून राहिला. काय कामे आम्ही कर नाही, वेगळं काहीतरी. अबे त्याच्या हाताचा कंट्रोल घेऊन राहिला का तो काहीतरी. नाही, त्याच्या हाताला झटके देऊ राहिला तो. बे
I will not let go.
Goku, be still.
अबे असं घेऊन डायरेक्ट असं वरून फेकणं म्हणा. अबे त्याच्या हातातून रक्त निघू राहिलं बे. म्हणजे तो अंदरून शॉक देऊ राहिला का त्याच्यात. अबे काय मेल्यावर ते परीक्षा खतम होणार आहे काय आहे हे. पांढरं पांढरं टिंब काय आहे. काय झालं, गायब झाला तो तिथून. काय होऊन
Together.
दगड पड
your fault, Goku. You killed me. And on an
हे दोघं तर
I'm too young to die.
हे दोघं तर असेच पडले आहे.
Falling.
अच्छा अबे पुरं असं पलटलं ते पलटलं काय असं पुरं म्हणजे हे असं होतं असं झालं काय ते काय होऊ राहिलं आला रे आला आला हा होय डार्कनेस
Show your true self, you coward!
हाच होय रे बा आला रे बाहेर
Come on, who are you?
हम्म
have proven yourself worthy.
आहे हाय
See it?
अबे पाणी भेटलं अरे बेकार
Ultra divine water?
सही
Sacred liquid is very dangerous. One must be both mentally and physically strong to survive it.
फिजिकली आहे तो स्ट्रॉंग मेंटली नाही आहे
Suited. It means certain death.
बाबू याची रोबे तू राहू दे याला मरू दे
Will make me stronger, right?
हाव लय स्ट्रॉंग
It is uncertain.
है काऊन एवढी मेहनत केली
Ultra divine water takes advantage of special powers within you. If you have no power, nothing will change.
तो बंदर आहे
Only those with the special power become stronger.
तो बंदर आहे
The others will die.
घे रे आहे हाय या काय याच्यात कपकन बंदर बंदर बाहेर येते आता बंदर बाहेर येते आता येते काय त्याचा बंदरवरचा कंट्रोल वाढन नाही तर काहीतरी होईन पण म्हणजे तो मरणार तर आहे नाही कारण तो बंदर आहे त्यानं म्हटलं का काहीतरी स्पेशल पॉवर पाहिजे त्याची बंदरची पॉवर आहे मॉन्स्टर तो ऑलरेडी आहे
By now, you all know how powerful I am. What you may not know is what a loving king I can be. So, my first decree will go out to the ones I
आहे
love
हाय
the most.
कौन सही दिसू राहिला पिकोलो
Element. We will begin by eradicating the police. Those wicked people who would stomp on your freedom and put you in chains for merely seeking the life that you desire. Theft, violence, murder. Nothing will be illegal in this grand.
ओ चला रे बा लहान लेकर राहिले अशा गोष्टी ऐकवता काही तर
Your pain.
All hail King Piccolo!
This is your time. This is our time. Order is dead and chaos reigns. Thus says King Piccolo.
This guy's a madman!
तू बरा झाला काय तू ठीक झाली काय
Oh,
तब्येत
it doesn't sound
Bye.
that bad.
अबे हे तर गुंडीच आहे काय झालं अरे 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 म्हटलं ना बंदर बाहेर येते म्हणून याले काय झालं
That great power. Could it be? Do we dare even hope Goku could be the one to survive the trial of the Ultra Divine Water? Could Goku really be the one?
So we have completed episode number 116 and so Goku reached the water, the divine water that Karin told him to go and search for. The test was very easy. I think he only had to suffer. He only had to not let Yajirobe go. That's all the test was. If he had to choose between his friend and his life, so he passed the test very successfully. He chose his friend's life and he was not selfish, and he got the water, the divine water, and now he drank it. But that whatever the darkness was, the darkness said that the water, someone who has power can only drink the water, so not normal human beings can't drink it. So even if Master Roshi is the master of the martial art, the king of that we heard, king of martial art from that one policeman. So even if he drank the water, I don't think that he could survive because he has the power of martial art. He is the perfect, martial artist. But he doesn't have extra natural no alien powers, I think so. That's what we can call it. That is not human, non-human powers. So that's what Goku has. He can change into the monkey. And I think so General Blue can also get that, because General Blue has also that eyes power. Then Arale can also get that because she also had some kind of power, because those are all unnatural powers alien to the human beings that are in Dragon Ball, because not everybody have those powers. So I think that, and also he is demon, so I think Piccolo, what about Piccolo? If Piccolo drank this water, will he gain more power? Because he is a demon, he is not a human being. So maybe he can survive that water, because darkness only said that normal human beings can't drink the water, can't survive the water. So if Piccolo drinks it, I don't know. Let's just watch the next episode number 117, and see what happens. We know that Goku is going to survive, because we know that Goku has the different power, the monkey power within him. So of course he is going to survive. And also Karin right now said that will the Goku be only one that will survive. So Karin already saw the future. So Goku is going to survive now, and he already opened his eyes, he became stable. So yeah, I think that Goku has already survived. So let's get into the episode number 117. Let's go.
What happened?
लवकरच भेटली गोकुले पॉवर. मी म्हटलं काही टाइम जम्प वगैरे लय लंबा जर्नी चालणार आहे का याची. झाला, उठलाय भाऊ. भेटली का रे बा पॉवर.
So, do you feel any stronger, Goku?
पाय बरं थोडंसं मारून गिरून, पाय बरं थोडंसं.
I do feel
याले मार.
different, but I just can't explain.
याची रोबेले मार. काय झालं.
Well, it sure didn't change your looks. You're still just a goofy looking kid.
तुले काय 6 पॅक्स पाहिजे का त्याले. मग आता वापस जाणार कसा आहे.
Let's go.
मागचा रस्ता तर दिसून नव्हता राहिला त्याले.
It's time.
अबे
We don't know the way out of here.
काय झालं.
I do.
हा
It's so clear.
हा हा कसा. अबे मागच्या वेळेस हरपली होती ना. आणि तो असा एकदम एनलायटनमेंट भेटल्यासारखा काऊन बोलून राहिला. इट्स सो क्लिअर. म्हणजे त्याला काय त्याच्या तोंडासमोर दिसून राहिला रस्ता. याची रोबे म्हणून राहिला. पागल झाला काय म्हणून राहिला. अरे
Grab hold now.
अबे
Coming, Yajirobe.
अबे अबे नाही बे.
Coming, Piccolo.
तिकडं दुसरीकडे जायला सांगितलं ना त्या करीन ना. कुठं चालला हा. अबे आता दंगे चालू होते. आता दंगे.
Waiting for. Let it begin.
हे. आता काही कोणाला थांबवू नाही शकत रे बा. चला दंगे खतम. झालं. अबे काय होय. अरे बेकार. एवढे खतरनाक दंगे. मी म्हटलं असे लो स्केलवर चालन हे तर. अरे बेकार. काहीच्या काही चालू आहे रे बा हे. तू कोण आहे रे बा. अबे अँड्रॉइड.
Well, sir, this is about as far as I can take.
तू काय करू राहिला रे बा.
Thank you. You be careful out there.
अबे हा
What's going on in the world today?
तिले घ्यायला आला असेल ना. सुनोच्या घरी राहू राहिला होता ना हा. म्हणजे तिच्या गावात. याची ट्रेनिंग झाली. तुझी ट्रेनिंग झाली का रे बा. गोकूचं झालं काम. तू सांग, तू येऊ राहिला का वापस, का तुला अजून टाइम पाहिजे. आला. पोहोचला रे.
It is you. I'm so happy now.
काय झालं
Not happy.
काहून काय झालं हां लय सारे लोकायले लागला आहे म्हणून
Hardly anyone survived. And the ones that did aren't doing well.
काही विषय नाही
They have not much
येते तो या हिरो येते तेरा धियान किधर है
does.
कि तेरा हिरो उधर है
Tried my best.
आता कुठं आलो आपण TNचं आहे का हे हां TNच आहे झालंच नाही भाऊचं अजून गोकूचं झालंय भाऊ अजूनही प्रॅक्टिसच करू राहिला मग हरवणार कोण आहे आता गोकू आणि TN दोघंही जर प्रॅक्टिस करू राहिले तर पिकोलोला हरवणार कोण आहे दोघांची कंबाईन येणार जमलं रे TNला जमलं व्हेरी गुड चल आता असाच करजो बरोबर त्याले का आता जीव निघून चालला तुया एवढा काहून हे करून राहिला हे उहू पाहिजो रे बा आरामानं घे
I've mastered it.
बस आता फक्त त्याच्या वेळेस विसरून नको जाऊ
I see it.
Please be the door.
का बे असं कसं दिसू राहिलं त्याले पहिले तर नव्हतं दिसू राहिलं
Hey, Master Corin.
अच्छा त्यानं झाकण उघडं ठेवलं
Yeah, it's me.
He didn't die after all.
हे हे हे
That was very impressive.
Could you let us out, please?
Yeah, it smells bad down here and I'm hungry. Hey, hold your horses.
अरे आला रे
Coming for
चला गोकू आला वापस हा येऊ राहिला वापस नाईस
Come in, Tien.
अच्छा ते कॉन्टॅक्ट करू राहिले
Are you there?
हे आमच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट करू राहिला
Tien?
अरे घेणार रे बा बोल ना आता त्याच्यासोबत
This is Tien Shinhan. Hey,
Tien, where are you?
I'm off to present a special gift for our new king's coronation.
अबे होय होय पोट्ट्या थांब रे गोकुला येऊ दे
I've mastered the evil containment wave. It's time to put it to the test.
I'm proud of you, Tien.
अबे हो ना बटे
Proud.
हवा तू त्याला थांबवत नाही काय म्याटे तुला आवडते ना तो थांबव ना त्याला मरण ना तो अबे न हो ते तिचं त्याच्यावर एवढं प्रेम आहे का
Me, or rather, this is
Sacrifice करू राहिली ते
in my life that made me no better than King Piccolo. This is about atonement. And
तेही आहे म्हणा बरोबर आहे याचं अटोनमेंटही आहे ते एक प्रकारे
goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye, Tien.
ते काय शांत बसणार काय ते येते त्याच्या मागं मागं तिथं चला तिकडं पिकोलो जॉ
Well, Tien Shinhan,
Gary.
you're the bravest.
काय अबे पागल झाले काय असाच जाऊ तिथं का त्याले अबे सोबत जाणं त्याच्या काय करू राहिले
I'm not what I was before. And it's not just the strength either.
मग
I feel power and at peace.
हो काय
With everything.
हो काय
I
म्हटलं ना
suspected he would survive.
एनलाइटनमेंट भेटल्यासारखं
It would mean. Could he truly be the one? Are you sure?
काय दवन
Same.
And there's something else.
काय काय झालं काय झालं काय करू राहिला उडी मारते का डायरेक्ट
What's he doing?
हो ना काय रे बा मुत्त काय
I know where Piccolo is.
अरे बेकार नवीन पॉवर अपग्रेड So now we have completed episode number 116 and 117 and finally both of their training arc has been over. TN is also mastered the capturing ray and Goku has also got the power. I thought that there might be some time jump. They would need some time to master their own things. Goku might need some time to search for the water and TN might need some time for mastering the wave, the I forgot the name of that wave. So, but yeah, they did it just in one day, 1 or 2 days, I think so. So now both are on their way to defeat King Piccolo, and the narrator said that TN has got a head start. So TN is actually much nearer to Piccolo compared to Goku. So Goku might need to reach there in time to save TN, because if TN uses the technique, then he is going to die. So if Goku reaches there in time and Goku defeats King Piccolo, so TN won't have to die. But I think that TN is going to die because everybody is dying in this arc. So why not TN? Master Roshi is gone, Krillin is gone, so many of the martial artists are gone, the Chaozu has gone. Then why not TN? And also TN also needs to, the what they say, the because he has done many bad things, so he need to purify himself. He did use that word, one word that was, I forgot that word, what that was. So TN needs to do that for to make all his mistakes better. I mean, whatever, yeah, you understand me, right? So yeah, TN needs to do that. That's why I think that he is going to die. I have 99.99% guarantee that he is going to die. There is 0.01% that he might not die, but very high chances of him dying. I mean, all the signs are showing that he is going to die. So let's hop into the no, not hop. So let's end this video here, and I guess we will see what happens next in the next video in episode number 118 and 119. And until then, take care and enjoy. Bye bye.